This is example number 7 from section 10.2. In this case, we have more than one type of operation in the same problem. How do you know what to do first? Well, if you see parentheses, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally always tells me to add or subtract or whatever's inside parentheses, do that first. These are 3 matrices that all have the same dimensions. They're all 3 1x2s. So when you add 3 1x2s together, you're going to get another 1x2. So I'm going to add up my first element in all 3 of these and get 20. I'm going to add up my second component, -6 plus -1 is -7, plus 9 is 2. And so I end up with 22, which is a 1x2. Now, I had in front of that, I had this matrix that's being multiplied by that. So here I have 3, -1, 5, 7, which is a 4x1. So is it even possible to multiply these together? It is. They both have this dimension of a 1, so the number of rows in this one is equal to the number, the number of columns in this one is equal to the number of rows in this one, so it's possible to do. The answer I'm going to get is going to be a 4x2. So a 4x2 is going to have 4 rows and 2 columns. So it would look something like that. That's what a 4x2 looks like. So now, in similar fashion to what I had come up in the previous problem, I'm just taking this row times each column to get my first row. So 3 times 20 is 60, 3 times 2 is 6. Then, move on to the second row. Second row times each column. -1 times 20 is -20, -1 times 2 is -2. Move on to the third. 5, multiply it by each column. 5 times 20 is 100. 5 times 2 is 10. Lastly, move on to the 7 times each column. 7 times 20 is 140. And 7 times 2 is 14 for my final answer.